What's up, everybody? We're back with another video, and today we're back working on the BRZ. I got some parts from Japan. First, I'm gonna show y'all I got the STI door sills. These are Christmas gifts too. I didn't buy these. Got these for Christmas. I got the STI door sills. Those are gonna be a nice touch compared to the stock ones. I'm gonna show you the stock ones in a second. And if anybody watching has the BRZ or the GR86, you know how the seat belt kind of scuffs up the B pillar area. This is like a seat belt guard from Axis Parts. You can get this from 86 Works. So, and I got the red stitching too. So that's gonna be a nice touch to match all the red on the inside of the BRZ. Yeah, so that's the OEM one right here, and then replacing that with the STI. So that's gonna be real nice, and that's actually gonna be real quick. Both of these mods are actually gonna be real quick. The longest is gonna take with this is just lining it up, make sure everything is exactly straight. I want that to be perfect, and as you can see, matches the stitching on the interior. So that's gonna be a real nice touch to sit in this area right here. As you can see, I still have the plastic on mine, and the plastic is kind of starting to peel up, but it is pretty beat up from the seat belt. So having this is going to be a nice touch to protect that area. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna start with the STI door sills because that's just gonna be real quick and easy. Yep. Cool. That's real nice and easy. Make sure this is the right one. Yeah. And then now that I flipped it over, it's actually a nice touch. If you can see, Subaru, made in Japan. Love some OEM parts. But since I popped that one out like that, and in the video I watched, it was the same way. These clips stayed in here, so I'm gonna just reuse these clips and then remove these ones from here and reinstall it. But first, I'm gonna grab a rag and clean this up. Well, a microfiber, clean that area up first. Much better. Yeah, that looks way better. The subtle little touches. I love the checkered flag finish on it. Yeah, that's nice. And that's the thing with this car. Like, I've been enjoying driving this car so much and just everything about it. I only want to do like the little small things for right now. Don't get me wrong, in the next couple months I would like to get some coilovers and wheels for it, but right now I'm just cool with doing the little things. The little things is what's making me happy with this one. So now that the driver's side is knocked out, I'm gonna knock out the passenger side real quick before I install the seat belt buckle guards. We get the satisfying those look wicked. These are finished. We can move on to the seatbelt buckle guards, slide the seats forward and jump into this small back seat. So from what I saw in the picture, it looks like it lines up kind of right underneath this line right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this plastic, and like I said, it's small back here. I'm gonna try and set y'all up somewhere where y'all can see and try and take my time and make sure it's straight. had the camera set up while I was doing the driver's side and it wasn't recording. So here's the driver's side finished up. It does still do the wrinkle thing like it did on the other side. I did preheat this one with the heat gun a bit and it still did it, so I'm gonna wait and see if like naturally it'll come out. But honestly, it still looks nice. Like looking in from, let me move the seat back. Yeah, like looking in from this angle and just seeing the extra stitching and how it like flows from the door panel up into that area and then off of the seat too. It's nice. It's real nice. I like it. I'm happy with it. And then that with the STI door sills, like just getting it all at once. It's nice. I like it. And Axis Parts also actually sells the strip for down here too. They sell like this, the one for the door panel, for the glove box, but the only other one I want to get is for here because the material in the GR86 and the BRZs, they're not the best. Like you can see, like up here it gets scuffed a little bit getting in and out the car. So right here gets scuffed pretty often, and then it's not like a deep scuff to where it's permanent. Like if you rub it, it'll come out, but I do want to get that protectant right there along with the red stitch, and I feel like that'll just complete it off with it not being like too much, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so that's pretty much it for today. That's all the mods that I got. Just some cool little interior mods. There's nothing too crazy. Like I said, you know, I'm just enjoying doing the little stuff on the cars, making it a lot better and a lot more enjoyable. I love it. Getting in and out, I'm gonna be like, ooh, look at that. Yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna call it for today. It's super cold, but it wasn't raining last weekend. It was raining, so I took advantage of it and just wanted to, you know, record this and get this video out to you. I know it's been a while, so thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I hope to see y'all next time, and I will be coming out with another video real soon, kind of like a plans for 2024, you know, and I actually got some news to bring to y'all too. So should be an exciting year. Should be a lot going on. So hope to see y'all next time. Thanks for watching.